Why your paycheck is keeping you poor, and how to escape it. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. You wake up Monday morning, drag yourself to work, spend 40 maybe 50 hours of your week making someone else rich, and at the end of the month, after rent, after groceries, after bills, you're left with almost nothing. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody tells you. That's not an accident. The system is literally designed to keep you exactly where you are. But in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and more importantly, the 3 moves that people in the top 10% use to quietly escape it. Stay till the end, because the third one is the one that changed everything. Here's the cold hard truth about your salary. When you get a raise, let's say a 5% raise, you feel good, right? You worked hard, you deserve it. But here's what actually happens. Your tax bracket creeps up. Inflation in the US right now is eating 3 to 4% of your purchasing power every single year. And lifestyle inflation, the new phone, the slightly nicer apartment, takes the rest. So that 5% raise? In real terms, you are actually moving backwards. This is called the salary trap. And 90% of working adults are stuck in it right now, including probably you. The people who escape it don't earn more. They think differently about money. Let me show you what I mean. Escape route number 1. Stop trading time for money. Start making money while you sleep. I know that sounds like something you'd hear from a guru selling a course. Stick with me. In the US, the S&P 500 has returned an average of 10.5% per year for the last 50 years. In the UK, the FTSE All-World Index, similar story. If you put just £200 or $200 a month into a low-cost index fund, like a stocks and shares ISA in the UK or a Roth IRA in the US, starting at age 25, by the time you're 55, you'd have over $400,000. Not because you're smart, not because you got lucky, just because you let compound interest do the work. The problem is nobody teaches this in school. They teach you how to be a good employee, not how to build wealth. Open an index fund account tonight. Set up a $50 automatic deposit. That is the start. Escape route number 2. Build an income stream your boss cannot fire you from. Here's a stat that should make you nervous. 65% of people are one missed paycheck away from financial crisis. One layoff, one medical bill, one bad month. The wealthy don't rely on one income stream. They have multiple. Now, I'm not telling you to quit your job tomorrow. What I'm saying is you have skills that the internet will pay for right now. Can you write? Freelance copywriting pays $50 to $150 per hour on Upwork. Can you edit videos? Editors are charging $500 to $2,000 per video right now. Can you do basic design? Canva-level design on Fiverr brings in $1,000 to $3,000 per month for regular people. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be one step ahead of someone who needs help. Start with 2 hours a week. Build quietly while keeping your job. Your employer has a backup plan if they lose you. Do you have one if you lose them? And here is escape route number 3, the one most people completely ignore. Invest in your own knowledge, ruthlessly. Warren Buffett said, and I want you to really hear this, he said the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. It pays the best interest. A $200 course that teaches you a skill that earns you $2,000 a month is a 1,000% return. No stock market will ever beat that. Right now, the highest paying skills in the world are AI and automation literacy, digital marketing, data analysis, and sales and persuasion. These are not tech bro skills. These are human skills that companies are desperate for and willing to pay a serious premium for. One skill, 6 months of practice. Your income will never look the same. The people who are winning financially right now are not smarter than you. They just made different decisions with the same 24 hours you have. So let me bring it all together. Your paycheck alone will never make you wealthy. That's not your fault, it's how the system works. But here's what you can do starting today. Open an index fund account, even with $50. Pick one skill and start freelancing this weekend. Invest in one course that teaches you a high-income skill. None of these are complicated. All of them work. The only question is, will you actually do it? Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what is the one thing stopping you from building wealth right now. Is it time? Money? Not knowing where to start? Tell me, I read every single comment. And if this video made you think differently about money, subscribe. Because next week I'm going to show you exactly how to go from zero to your first $1,000 online, step by step. See you there.